Hi, my name is Heather. One of the reasons why I purchased a six figure blueprint was to learn more skills on how to use social media to promote my online business. Since purchasing the six figure blueprint, I have been learning those skills, but also learning how to put my business on autopilot. So it's out there working for me 24/7 while I am working a full time job, spending time with friends and family. It's out there still working for me. And all by just really working a couple hours a day, creating the correct content to my ideal customer. And also, some of the goals that I have made for myself for this year is to have financial cushion for expenses that come along, but also to help as many people as I can experience that same financial cushion with daily pay because I just want as many people to experience that as possible.